If your After Effects project feels flat and robotic, it might be because of one thing: camera movement. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create a smooth, natural, and cinematic camera motion in After Effects. I've already prepared the background and text. Now I've converted the text layer into a text file because I want to animate it. Let's turn on 3D mode for each layer. Next, apply the text animation preset I share in the description below. Before animating, make sure you import your assets properly. If you want full control over your layers, use the Two Views workspace. This makes it much easier and faster to animate in 3D space. You can add some elements like this one into your scene. I've placed it behind the text to create depth. Create a camera, set the focal length to 50 millimeters. Then open camera properties and turn on depth of field. Now set the focus distance and aperture so that the text remains sharp, while everything behind it becomes blurred. These two settings help you create a cinematic look. To make the background element feel more natural, animate them slightly. Select your keyframes and apply easy ease for a smoother animation. Next, let's animate the camera. Turn on the stopwatch for the position and orientation, and add your keyframes. If your scene turned black after rotating the camera, don't worry. Just duplicate the background and reposition it beside the original to fill the space. Now it really feels like we are inside a 3D space. Adjust elements as need to complete your scene. By using this method, you can easily create a smooth and cinematic 3D camera movement in After Effects. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you'll like it, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comment for me.